Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my Alice in Wonderland. This one is a iron pack. It's an import from Canada and it's a 3-disc. It's a digital copy, Blu-ray and DVD. So let's open this one together and let me show you because I'm also excited to see what it looks like inside. So here's the digital copy. The case looks really pretty, nice, glossy, very colorful. Here's the back cover showing Alice. And inside we should have the code for the movie rewards. Really great design. As a matter of fact, I have this design as a screensaver in my computer right now. So this is a great design. And what I usually do is I'm gonna just get the Blu-ray, which is this one, and leave it in here. And not gonna put the DVD back because I already have my 3-disc US version. See, it's a Blu-ray 3D and DVD. So I don't really need this one right now. I'm going to put this one aside and enjoy the cover inside and outside. Let me show you outside again. Like I told you before, this one is a iron pack. So it's pretty much exactly like a Steelbook. Just so you know, the basic difference of a iron pack and Steelbook, like I told you, it's slightly heavier, and the spine, it's made of, it's the same material, steel, I would say. It's not plastic. And Steelbook, this part right here, the spine, it's plastic. So let me show you inside. See, you cannot replace this one. But in the Steelbook, this part of the spine is a plastic material. So that's the two basic differences. Really nice addition to my collection. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos and hope to see you next time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.